My name is Ian.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Christian Cisneros.
Let's get into some announcements.
Let's congratulate Taylor Burrows on winning National School Breakfast Contest. My apologies.
Hey gamers, Port Esports fundraising meeting today directly after school at 4:10 p.m. at Mr. Rathroom 7H. Show up and show some support.
Let's go to some commercials.
Do you want to join ASB next year?
Listen up. We have Ricky and Chris with some details about getting into ASB.
Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Ricky.
And despite us both being brown, having curly hair, and being linebackers to be, we are not related.
Amen, we are not. Anyways, if you're interested in running for next year's ASB, applications are now available. Use the QR code that you can find on the ASB door and other places around campus.
The deadline is March 24th at 4:30 p.m. The council applications will be available after spring break.
The Adams family opens tomorrow.
Let's go feed them some more information about the event.
Hey Scots, it's me, Aiden, and I'm here to let you guys know that there's an amazing play coming on Wait, I think it's tomorrow at 7 p.m. So if you guys want to come over and support your theater, then make sure to come over tomorrow at 7 p.m. And there's going to be 2 more showings, one on Friday and Saturday, both at 7 p.m. And there's an extra one at 2 p.m. on Saturday, because I know you want to watch it again.
Doors open 30 minutes before showtime, so if you want those front row seats, be sure to be here on time. And tickets are at the door for $10 whole.
And let me not forget to let you guys know that just because I'm telling you this doesn't mean you should just not show up, because I'm telling you this so you do show up. Because look at these sets, man. They're amazing. They put so much work into this. And if you don't come in, that's basically saying you don't respect the Highland Scots ethic to put in hard work for our show so you can enjoy it for only, what was it again?
$10.
That's so cheap. Now you better come up, don't be a cheap man. Spend that money and come see a great play.
Why should we come to see the play?
You know, the end of the play is like really nice, so if you do end up going to the play, then you should stick around for the end.
Thank you for your time.
To see amazing, talented teenagers. We worked very hard for months on months, so to see all of us acting, we're super talented, and you should just come see it, because you won't, I feel like you won't forget it. Just like last year at Beauty and the Beast, it was talked about for months, I feel like this is the same exact situation.
You should come see the play because all of these talented actors and actresses have put in all of their extra time, and I think they deserve a good turnout.
Remember, Scots, $10 to get inside to see the Adams family.
Also, we have today, tomorrow, and Friday till 2:45 ends.
On Thursday is Caesar dressing. Wear your best toga and your gladiator sandals.
Friday, green goddess dressing. Wear some green and be ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day.
That's it for today. Remember to PLAID up, Highland.
Have a great day.